Welcome back to Factory Fridays. I'm Denny Warren. Today we're going to talk about Sailtech Construction. This is the foundation that we build our premium products upon. We start off building fiberglass boats from the outside in, which means we spray the color, which is a gel coat. Then we come in with a skin coat called a skin out, which is fiberglass. We follow it up with a spray core, which is a ceramic spray. The ceramic is designed to be a heat shield barrier to keep from the print through from the multiple laminates of fiberglass and resin that we put in that causes heat. The next thing we do, we prep the spray core and get it ready for the laminate schedule. We use a quad axle. Quad axle is a material that is a woven and a stitch mat, two of each, one every other one, put together in 90-degree intervals of each other. So now you have 360 degrees of structural integrity. After the laminate schedule of putting those in, we then put our coosa board, transom board. It is a closed cell foam, high density with fiberglass embedded in it. This is 10 times stronger than any wood transom ever was. We clamp that into place, and once it cures, then we put in our stringer system. Our stringer system is composed of, from composite, closed cell foam, solid, wrapped with fiberglass. This is the raw stage. Once we put it into the boat, it becomes this. Solid glass, closed cell foam. Once it's cured, we come back and we tie in the transom with kevlar. This is the same kevlar that is in bulletproof vest. Please don't shoot your boat. It's not bulletproof. But this ties in the transom to the stringers and the keel from the bow eye all the way down to the parallel surface. That's the three main stress points. The keel is what cuts through the water. The transom, the motors are trying to pull it apart. So this is what gives it its structural integrity. Now let's move to the deck. On the bottom side of the deck, we use Prisma beam. It is a closed cell foam wrapped with fiberglass with carbon fiber. This goes from port to starboard along the bottom side of your deck. This gives you the strength of not having a spongy deck over wide spans, especially our oversized compartment for our fuel tanks. It's a wide span. It works just like a floor joist does in your house. Now coming up the side of the hull, last thing we put in is Trevera. This is a felt material with fiberglass strands in it. Once this is resin coated and cures, it has the strength of aluminum for screw retention. Thanks, and look forward to seeing you on the next Factory Fridays.